so cute. I'm so proud of you. But they're gonna be a pain. Finally talk in videos. I've been keeping this a secret for literally a month. Got braces on December 16th, but I wanted to surprise a bunch of people. So I'm putting the video up now. Today's the day I'm getting these bad boys on my teeth. You will not see these teeth ever again. They're so bad. I know that they look fine from afar. Really up close, they're really bad. And there's like a molar tooth that's like crooked on the side. I'm gonna be filming with the first 24 hours of braces in case anyone's curious. I mean, I've always wanted them and I'm really excited. I just know it's gonna hurt, but I'm really excited because I've always wanted them. Color wise, if they do, then I will do rainbow because I want to go full out. I do not regret getting the multicolor because it looks pretty sick. Not gonna lie, spoiler alert. I'm kind of rushing. I've brushed my teeth and everything. I know kind of what to expect, and it's going to be a very long appointment of my mouth just being stretched out for an hour and a half. I'll see what I can get filmed in there. My very first appointment was like the introduction to everything. I asked them if I could record and they're like, yeah, that's fine. So hopefully I'll be able to record the process for anyone who's curious. I just want to be able to document everything because, you know, I'll be curious to look back at it. So I will see you guys at the ortho.
And you can close up a little bit there. Very good. That's not pinching or hurting anywhere. Maybe you can close up a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. So now we're going to use a blue gel on the teeth, okay? And that's we're going to do that now.
So I do want to add that that's not the only thing that they did. Like, they didn't just put blue stuff and wash it off and then they just started putting on the brackets. They cleaned my teeth a little bit before, but I just don't think my mother got to film that, so just don't mind that. And they did like a scan on my teeth to like do a 3D scan, but again, we didn't get that filmed. So we didn't get everything filmed, but most of the things we did. I'm literally so awkward right now.
And at that moment, I knew that
Why does it say ion if it's an isotope?
Glasses up if you like, I'll take that out. They look cool, don't they? They look very cool. Well done. So if you pop your...
Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I don't feel any pain right now. Yet. Oh my gosh. I just realized my braces match my shirt. Okay, give it a like. Bye.